Good morning, Standard 9 Subject English. Today we learn lesson number 1.5 part second. The necklace part second. Last period we learned a part of the lesson. So there is a passage on this part. So I will tell you questions on this part, a passage, and in this passage there is some questions, you know that. So question, read the passage carefully and complete the activities. A1 simple factual activities. First point, who said this to whom? First sentence, I might have needed it. Second sentence, don't sell it for 3 days. So, second point, say if the following statements are true or false. Statement 1, Mahatma Foster was rather angry with Mathilde for returning the necklace late. Second, a string of diamonds they found at Palace Royal was worth 36,000 francs. Third, the new necklace cost them 34,000 francs. Next sentence, Mr. Loyal borrowed money from every type of money lender. So, these are four sentences, right, true or false. Write the sentence again and then write the answer. So, passage number 2, page number 28-29. In a shop at the Palace Royal, they found the dash. I might have needed it. A2 complex factual activity. Complete the web. How Mr. Loiser collected money for the necklace. So complete the web. The next question, A3 vocabulary based activities. So in this question, first point is that find and write all the numbers mentioned in the passage. You know that the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4,000, 100, like this. Find out and write down. The next point, write from the passage the words related to money matters. Words related to money matters. Then next question, grammar language study based activities. Spot and circle the error in the following sentence, then rewrite the sentence after correcting them. First sentence, he would borrow the rest. Second sentence, you should have returned it sooner. So correct the sentence and rewrite the answer again. Second point, do as directed. It was worth 40,000 francs. Use they in place of it and write the correct sentence. Here means change the subject, and according to the subject there is changing the auxiliary verb also here, and so you change the subject instead of it. Use they. The second sentence, he went to get the new necklace. He went to get the new necklace. In bracket, rewrite the sentence using simple present tense for the underlined verb. Underline went. Underline went, and you learn now and then write the answer of this question. Then personal response, open-ended question. Write what you think about the following thoughts and action of Mathilda. Mathilde returned the diamond necklace to her friend. B. Mathilde did not tell her friend about the loss and replacement. So second question, what do you think the arrangement made by Mr. Loiser with the jewelry was fair? Give your result. The next question, why does Mathilde Foster speak coldly to Mathilde? Why does Madma Foster speak coldly to Mathilde? So solve these questions in your notebook as well as in your workbook and complete it and read by heartily again and again. Try to read the passage, sentences, questions and so on. So we stop here.